Last trading session, Nifty was closed around 16,950 and Bank Nifty closed 36,082. But here having one amazing fact, what that is the India VIX. What happened India VIX? India VIX yesterday rise near about 16 point. Currently India VIX is trading around 21.26. And if we are comparing that crude future and that gold future, that also traded yesterday negative around crude 4% down and gold 1.5% down. But Nifty overall future also traded at a down. But now we have to deep check with that candlestick chart. Nifty having the previous low around 16,825 and yesterday Nifty here made one of that lower low, but last hours it is showing little bit one of that positive candle. So how we have to predict today trade? Look at here, if Nifty break that low, so if there is a possibility it should be touched that 16,800 level. Otherwise upside there is a possibility if Nifty cross this level around 17,050 something, so it will be try to fill this gap, whatever the gap in between that 17,200 to 16,918. So Nifty will be try to fill this gap. So today how we can predict the Nifty level? So we can say Nifty the downside possible is 16,800 is the downside. Upside we can say up to this gap means that 17,200. All over globally having any good news, so market can become some spike. But today the late evening around 6 p.m. having their one US market, they're having one data will be released, that is the home sale percentage, whatever they're having one data. And another one thing is there 28th of this month late evening US also going to declare their GDP. What about their GDP growth? So it will be declared, but that time I'm thinking market should be closed because this is the May April month expiry. And one more thing is there, market is showing like this volatility due to that geopolitical issue and that worldwide there is some war, GDP issue, monetary policy, a lot of things. But here is more important thing, where should be market going to expire? I am thinking that around 17,000 near market should be give to one of the expiry. Maybe this is the 17,200, either 16,800, in this range market give one of the expiry. And let's check what about that India VIX say. Look at here, the India VIX long time spent time here. This is the range around that 18 to in between 20. But yesterday the spike came, India VIX now traded around 21.26, but yesterday it make one high 20.5. What does mean? If India VIX is this much of a high, there is a high possibility of it can be moved up to level of 25th. This level it can become. If India VIX come 25th, so how it will be affected to our trader, the trade, the IV will be high of that option. The option premium will be increased rapidly. If you notice since yesterday, example that 16,000 put option of that June expiry, it's I think day before yesterday it's trading around 140 some around there, but yesterday it's cross around 215. They are having one spike of more than 80%. Why? Because they are having highly spike of that India VIX. So here RSI also giving one suggestion, India VIX can be rise more upside. So we'll be see, because currently market going on whatever only for that news basis. We cannot judge as per the candlestick. So let's go check that in Bank Nifty. So yesterday Nifty fall, but Bank Nifty is showing some of a bullishness. See, the first hour of a Bank Nifty it's positive, and the last hour also Bank Nifty is positive. It's indicating maybe Bank Nifty today make one rally up to this level around 16,000, 16,700 nearly about. It can be possible there. And if Bank Nifty bullish, so it can give some boost of that Nifty because having there some heavy weightage like HDFC, ICICI and SBI, it can be pull out that Nifty to 17,000